Hi guys, happy Women's Day. Today I am celebrating this Women's Day a little special. So I'm going to take you along what all I'm doing. Yeah, let's get going. Before I take you guys anywhere else, let me tell you what we are going to do today. We means in our apartment complex, some ladies are planning a day together, like a lunch together. They have all planned to cook one dish each and then meet for the lunch. I didn't know all that until the end. There's one lady called Vara who called me up 2 days back, and she told me about this plan, and she invited me. It's just a gathering of all women and share things. So that's what we are going to do today. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'll show you every bit of it. And from my end, I cooked curd rice and carrot juice, which I make a little different. I drink that almost every day, so I thought I should give them that, because it's all about taking care of yourself, your health. Let me show you what all I am carrying there. By the way, Vara told me they are all planning to wear red color, so I have picked out some outfits which I need to try on. I don't know how they are right now. I'll try them on and see which one suits me, then I'll wear that. I'm listening to some melodious Hindi old songs which are my favorites. You can hear that at the background. Let me show you. So here I have my curd rice ready. Yeah, and my carrot juice. I'm carrying some straws also. My dress is kept aside. One red dress, and I'm planning to layer printed frock with the lace dress and printed frock with the shrug. All these are kind of made by me. This handmade belt, there is a video on that. That brooch, there's a video on that too. This dress, there is a video on that too. I still need to try them on and see which one fits me well and looks good. So it's time to take bath and get ready. I'm all set to go. That's the whole look. DIY brooch, small hoops, DIY belt. I have this wraparound from my dance show. I thought I'll just wear it in a different way. I want to dress up for myself today, so this is how I dressed up. I might look a little overdressed, but I don't mind because it's Women's Day, guys, so I want to celebrate myself. Let me show you my whole dress. Okay, so that's how it looks. This is a wraparound which I just wore on my plain red color frock. That's a plain one. By the way, the whole outfit is very easy to make. Anybody can make with any fabric. If you guys want me to make a video of it, comment below. I'll make the video anyway, but let me know how you like this dress in the comments below. I reached the house. They have the beautiful house there. You can see all the beautiful ladies. Lighting is less.
Happy Women's Day!
This house belongs to Devi. Very beautiful house.
Happy Women's Day!
Ah, their selfies are going on. We have all the food arranged over here.
I'm going to give you a paper, pen, and I'll give you 3 minutes of time. I just have to see once and then no, I'll give you 3 minutes of time to see, and I'll give 3 minutes of time to write. A very famous personality of India. You are from cinema industry, you are from politics, and you are like writers. I think this is a good memory test on, especially on Women's Day. Two names are like freedom fighters, so I think it's a good time to commemorate those names. Okay, so let's start.
Yeah, I think I'm like, you can give me 10 minutes. How many ever I remember, I'll write. I just reached home. We had great time today, all thanks to all those women who pulled it all together. We had very good chat. We played some games, and yeah, we took a lot of pictures. If you want to see those pictures, follow me on Instagram. I will add some group pictures here. Okay, happy Women's Day to you all again. Until next time, bye.